In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and photos to GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is where you can access the products and services connected to your account. From there, click My Products. This section shows the websites, domains, and other tools you have available in GoDaddy. Find the specific website you want to work on and click on it. Make sure you're choosing the correct site before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one website. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make visual changes to your site. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see your page and all of the editing options clearly. Once you're on your page, click Add Section. This is how you insert new content areas into your website. If you want to showcase pictures, products, events, or any visual content, this is the tool you'll use to place an image area exactly where you need it. In the section Search or Menu, enter Image. You should then see options related to image-based sections. Click Image Gallery and then choose Photo Gallery. This is a great option if you want to display multiple photos in a clean, organized format rather than uploading just a single image. After that, select a layout and click it to add it to your page. GoDaddy gives you different gallery styles, so choose the one that best fits the look and feel of your website. Some layouts are better for larger images, while others work nicely for a group of smaller photos. Once the gallery has been added, click on that section and choose Change Image. This will open the image selection area where you can upload or replace the visuals in that gallery. At this point, you can add your image by selecting the file you want to use from your device. Simply locate the image you want to add and choose it. Make sure you're using a clear, high-quality photo so it looks professional on your website. It also helps if your image is properly sized, since that can improve how it appears in the gallery layout. And that's it. You've now added images or photos to your GoDaddy Website Builder site. After reviewing how everything looks on the page, you can continue editing if needed and keep building out your site visually.